have a special bonus here at the end of the episode. We teased it early on. I am going to truck through this really fast. But this is for you at home. If you are currently like, I doing the virtual thing, but I'm not booking many shows. And here's a quick free game plan. This is in the podcast, free for you. You don't we have a lot of cool free exclusive downloads too, if you would like to explore more of that as well. But here's what you do if you want to try to book more gigs, and you can take action the second after you're done listening to this podcast, which will be in a couple minutes. So right after you listen to this, I want you to research and collect 20 emails. You collect 20 emails, and this can be any target you want. It could be people locally, like say accountants, local accountants. Capture 20 emails. Tomorrow, you're going to do that again. You're going to collect 20 more emails. And I just build this in a Google Excel doc, a Sheets, Google Sheets. I have one column for their name, one column for their email. So now we have 40 emails. On Sunday, if we're following along with this, right? On Sunday, what you're going to do is you will collect 10 emails. You now have 50 emails. Give yourself a high five. Go grab a drink, a coffee, whatever you do. Relax. Now it's Monday morning. It is Monday morning. You have your 50 emails. I want you to write a pitch email. Write the email to those 50 people about your show and why it's important to them, why they should book it, and what's the unique part about you and why your virtual show is better than all the other virtual shows going on. Not magicians specifically, right? But the other virtual entertainment that's going on right now. And then I also want you to grab 3 photos to promote that show. Whether it's from an existing Zoom show, a screenshot, maybe there's some old promo photos. And if you want to spice them up, why not use Canva or get some dynamite stock photos from Mystic Pixel? And then on Tuesday, what I want you to do, you've got all this planned out. You reread that email that you wrote with a fresh mind, right? We woke up fresh, reread the email again, make sure there's no typos. You didn't spell something crazy, because you were really excited that first day. And then you send out those 50 emails. I do it the old school way, copy, paste, email, copy, paste. You can look into software solutions if you're smart and savvy like that, and you can use a software app like that. But I just do the copy and paste while I listen to my favorite Magicians Talking Magic podcast episode. The bonus to this whole thing, if you can edit a video to help pitch your show, that is a huge bonus. If you can create a little web page that talks basically about all the information that's in that email, but you can graphically display it and make it stunning with a video and all that, that is a bonus. You don't have to do that because that is a lot of stuff to do. But that is your game plan strategy. And by next week, hopefully all of us have at least one lead